Need to create a standout resume quickly? Here's how to make a professional one using Canva's templates. Start by searching resume in Canva. You'll find hundreds of beautifully designed templates for all industries. Browse through the options and select a template that matches your style. Click Customize this template to begin editing. Simply double-click any text box to input your personal information, work experience, and skills. The layout stays perfectly formatted as you type. Customize the color scheme under background to match your personal brand or industry standards. To add your photo, just drag and drop it over the placeholder image. It will automatically resize to fit the frame. That's all it takes to create a polished, professional resume in minutes. For more Canva tips, don't forget to subscribe.